How involved are you in the post-production?
As a cinematographer, my experience with post-production is very minimal. Often the directors will show me a cut and get my thoughts if we developed a sense of trust, but the director themselves may not have final cut. I will weigh in and, with a space of trust, but there is also a sense in which I know I'm too close to the project usually to have like really great notes because I remember most of what we shot. And usually the first time I watch a movie I've shot, I'm just dismayed because I'm like, I wish I had done so many things differently. And then eventually you calm down and you realize like, no, like I can watch this as a movie and for what it is. So most of my experience of post-production is actually involved with the color process. And so much of that is casting the right colorist, getting the right person for the visuals. And then in the process, it's just a very tedious thing of sitting in a room with a laser pointer, getting the images to sort of flow in a way that feels right. And that's really unique to every movie. And you kind of have to go all in on that. And it takes time. It's a process I love for the results, but the actual process is difficult for me because it's a lot of sitting alone in a room that's really dark. And I prefer to be out and among people and among life, but it's such an essential part of the process. So I love doing it. It's something I'll fight for, and I'll fight for my time to be in there with the colorist because I want to make sure that we're able to get the images that we spent all this money and time running these lenses, running these lights, to shoot. I want to make sure that they land exactly how we were planning.